Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your girl, Sweets the Queen DIY. Welcome, welcome, welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm redesigning a t-shirt that's a little too big for me. You guys, well, of course, you guys don't know because I've been gone for a while, but you guys, I have lost some weight via surgery. If you guys want to check that out, you can head on over to my other channel. But a lot of my clothes are too big now, even like newer clothes that I bought, so I have to, revamp. So here I'm splitting the seams of the tassels. Are these tassels? Yeah, they would be like tassels, or yeah, I would call these tassels. Splitting the seams of the tassels on the sides to split the shirt up to like my rib cage like area. I should have clamped these down or tried to hold these down with something, but I was kind of in a rush and I was kind of trying to improvise, so I kind of was trying to hold and cut. It kind of wasn't working out the very best for me. After getting the side stitches off, I was able to split the shirt up the sides on both sides, and I made sure I cut them up to equal lengths. I folded the shirt together and then flipped it to make both sides even. So when I did my cutting, my split cuts, my slits on the side, everything would be even. The shirt would be, at least almost symmetrical. I also, like I said, went ahead and cut the other seam on the other side, and I made sure I cut them up to the same lengths on both sides. I used the other side as my guide. That's why I folded the shirt in half. As I said, you guys, I really wish I would have clamped this shirt down onto something. It would have made my task and my life a whole lot faster and a whole lot easier, instead of having to configure out how to hold and cut. So here I'm lining everything up again, so to get it as straight and as even as possible before the cutting. And now I'm cutting the slits. I think I cut about 9 or 10 slits on the sides in various different lengths to give it a different shape and to give it a different tightness at each level. But yes, I cut strips as you would, those little poster job, those little posters where they write the numbers and they cut the slits. You just cut those slits evenly along the shirt, and then you can start tying them. As I was tying the knots, you guys, I tied them twice, and I was tucking in the tabs, well, really out, tucking the tabs. And the other word, it was tassels, and the other word was fringes. That's what I was thinking about earlier. Either tassels or fringes. I poked them out through the holes, so they'll be on the outside of the shirt when I put it on. I did the same exact thing on the other side. I tied the knots, put 2 knots in it, and as I was going along down the line, I tucked the tassels or fringes back into the shirt, back towards the outside, so they can be on the outside. I like that look, or you can leave them on the inside to have a nice flat seamless look on the outside instead. And this is the finished look. As you can see, the shirt is way more fitted now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. If you guys are interested in getting to know me and my family, check out STQ Kids.